Hello friends, welcome to Python Up channel. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Today's content is different data types in Python. Okay, so first we'll discuss about int, float, booleans. We have mainly three types of data types. Okay, in Python. So what is basically int? Basically int is something like we'll have numeric numbers. Numeric numbers in the sense all the integer numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, anything that could be comes under int. Okay, float means a fractional number, something like for example 3.2, 5.3, 1.2, like that. Okay, and boolean is where true or false. Basically, I think we have learned in SSC also some into float booleans in the mathematics, if you can remember. Okay, so boolean is basically true or false. In Python, true is indicated as capital T. First capital T and then all the letters will be small letters. And false will be first letter comes with the capital F. Okay. This is a brief introduction about these three data types in Python. Okay. And let's move to next slide. Okay. So this is done. These are different data types in Python. Okay. Next comes under description. Python has several built-in data types like including numeric data types and collection types. So today we'll discuss all these types and we'll have a demo on this as well. Okay. So these data types has their own unique properties and methods to do the program easy and then effectively in their program to process and manipulate everything. Okay. So, and then these are the data types. If you can see the flow chart here, okay, numeric, dictionary, boolean, set, sequence type, right? So, under numeric we'll have integer, complex, and under sequence type we have strings, list, tuple. Okay? So, let's move to next slide. So, these are the brief introduction about each and every data type. Text type has a string, and then numeric types has int, float, complex, and sequence type has a list, tuple, range. Okay, mapping type dict, set type set, frozen set, and boolean type is bool. Okay, binary types bytes, byte array, or memory view, anything. Okay, and none type only. Okay, none type means nothing. So in JSON we have another data types also, JSON data where none type becomes a null there. Okay. So let's move to next slide. So if you have any doubts or anything, please comment in the section. So I'm happy to clarify your doubts in the next video. Okay. If you want any brief introduction on any specific topic, please ping me on the comment. So next I will prepare and come and do the video on that particular topic. Okay. Let's move to next slide. So this is the final actually the summary. So we have learned about all data types in Python. Let's move to the demo. Okay. So if I can go to PyCharm. So let's see here. Actually practical demo. Okay. So I want to print the int data type here. Okay. Print int of 3. What it will print is run the data type. Okay. So we got 3. And then we want to see the type of what that exactly. We are just seeing that number as a 3. But basically what that belongs to. The 3 belongs to which data type we want to see now. Okay, for that what we need to do, print of type of 3. Okay, let's see what it will print. So it is printing the 3 and then class type is int. Means the data type, that 3 has data types int. Okay. Now what I So int is basically it's a number, okay. So if I show you print of int of 3 and type of 3, will see, okay. So what it will print. So if I do data types, so it will show int number and then it will show the type of 3 as well, okay. So let's see. So I got, so sorry, I need to comment it out the below ones because I'm getting, okay. So what is int and what is type of int? So we'll print that one from here. And then if I print this one, I'll get 3 and type of 3 will be the int data type, okay. So let's see. So I got class int and then if we go to the float of 3, what it will print. So we'll show you float of 3. So basically it is a point 0. All we know that in the mathematics we'll have the decimals, right? Basically float is nothing but the decimal. In the Python language we'll call it as a float, okay? And then if I want to check the type, right? So I need to give some type of long statement it will be, right? So I can print like this as well, type of that one. What is that last type? So we'll get type of the float here. What exactly the 3 belongs to, right? So class float. If I comment it above things, so I'll get to know clarity. So if I run this one, I'll get float type is 3 is of float type. You see. So this is a long statement, right? I want to assign it to some variable here. So it is easy, right? If I do print type of variable, right? I can change the variable one as well here, right? So Python doesn't accept the spaces here actually. So if you want to give, you can give like this variable one. So it will accept here. And then if print of type of variable one. So you can easily give like this, right? So run data types. Same thing I'll get. But this is the best practices what you follow. If you go further, if you do long projects and long length of coding will be there, right? So to reduce that one, we are using the variables, okay. Basically next we'll go to the boolean. Basically what is called boolean. So if we see like one is called true and zero for false, okay, true or false, called as boolean in the Python. So basically we'll start with the capital T and all are small letters. And then for 0 starts with a capital F and all are small letters. So this is called boolean things. Okay, so if I want to print boolean of 0, what it will print? Let's see. Okay, so I'll comment it out everything about things. So to understand this one, yeah, I'll comment it out this one as well. So let's see what it will print. Boolean of 0. I need to get false. So let's see, we'll get false or not. See, I got false. If I want to print boolean of 1, so what I'll get? Let's see. I need to get true. So yeah, true, right? So if I want to, so this is all about into float and boolean. So that's all. We'll move next to list, set, and strings. Okay. So let's move to the list. Okay. So I'll show you what is list, and then what is tuple, and what is dictionary, and what is set. Okay. So the list is like this. So if you can see here, list have many number of data types here as we earlier learned, right? So now one is a number int type, name is a string, 1.0 is a float, and 2 is a boolean. We have many data types in the list. So if I want to print the name from the list, so what I want to do here, so we can start the indexes actually. So we can start the index from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. So if I print list 1 of 0, let's see what it will print. Print of, so comment this one, right? So we'll go afterwards. Okay, what I'll do. So we'll print the list one of 0. Let's see what it will print. Okay, let's run this one. So run data types. Now we'll see the output. I'm eager to see the output. Yeah. What it is printing? List of 0. Whatever you have written here, it is printed. What I have missed it, can anyone guess and in the guess and comment in the comment section. Okay. I need to give here list one of 0. So what we have the variable that we need to mention, and then particular index which field we want from the list. Basically it is square braces. We can call it as a sequence of arrays as well for the list. Okay, so let's see now. So what it is printing? So one it is printed from the list of array. Okay, I want to print the 4. Then let's see the output. What will get? So why I got the error? Because 0, 1, 2, 3. Only we have 3 indexes. We don't have the fourth index, right? So that's why it is throwing the list index out of range. You need to understand the errors as well based on the error you got. That is the most important skill you need to have when you're going to IT industry. Okay. And then I want to print the number 3 here. Okay. So let's print the number 3. Okay, what I'll do here, list of 3. So let's see what it will print. So will get the true boolean value, and then we'll move to next one, which is a tuple. Okay, so I'll uncomment it out this one. So we'll comment the above one. So tuple basically we have, this is example for tuple. We'll have in this round braces. If you can see here example, we can have any number of data types inside tuple as well. If you want the print the tuple data, so you can just print like print of tuple data. So so basically see here the PyCharm is giving you the hints whatever you want. So I recommend everyone to use the PyCharm or any other related IDE based on the programming languages. So to practice easily and to understand and to get the programming easily. Okay, let's print the tuple data. What we'll get, we'll see. Okay. So run data types. So what we'll get? So see, 1, 2 string I got. So next we'll move to the dictionary and sets. There you will confuse. Okay, so I'll explain clearly what is a dictionary, what is set. Okay, so we'll comment it out this above things and then we'll move further down. Okay, if I uncomment this thing from here, dictionary. Okay, so what is dictionary? Basically dictionary something like will have the key value pairs, and it should be in the format of key value pairs like this is a dictionary actually. So okay, I'll keep it above. Okay, so print of, sorry, this is dictionary. Okay, so we'll have in the flower braces we'll have key and value. This is called the dictionary format. So if we print this one dictionary, what we'll get, we'll see. Okay, after that we'll go to sets. Okay, if I do this one as set, and then I'll comment it out the set thing, and then we'll see what will get dictionary, and then what is the type of a will get dictionary or not, we'll see. Okay, so it is printed the whatever the dictionary we have given, it is assigned to variable a and it is printing the dictionary, right? And it is printing the type as well, which data type it is, dictionary, right? So this is all about dictionary, and then we can move to the set. Okay, so there is a slight difference between set and then dictionary. If I compare it here, okay, what I'll do, I will uncomment this one and then simply I'll put this a value here. Okay, we'll call it as b. So we'll talk about the differences between the set and dictionary. Okay, see here. Basically, dictionary has a key value pair, and then set has single values separated by the comma. Okay, and then set does not allow the duplicates actually. Basically, it won't have the duplicates for, and it will filter based on that. So this is all about set, and then if we want to print the set and type of set, we'll see. Okay, and then we'll see we'll get error or not. Okay, we'll print the a value here. We'll see what we'll get. Okay. Yeah. See, it is printed the set and then it is printed the type of data, whatever we have given in the A, it is printed as set. But if I am giving print A dot ticked, so basically underscore underscore means those are dunder methods actually. Okay, in the Python we'll call it as dunder method. I am doing for the set dot dict, so it will not allow, right? So that's why I'm getting attribute error. Set object has no attribute, it to mean dir. So it is hinting me, I mean it is asking like, I mean did you mean they are? So I have given intentionally to show you how we'll get the errors. Okay, these are all about sets and dictionary. Okay, in the next session, I will come up with if, else, elif statements and while statements and then for loops. Okay, we'll talk about loops in Python. Okay, keep watching Python Up channel. If you have any doubts, please comment it in the comment section. I will watch that and I will do a video on that as well. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.